Good day everyone, this is Onion. It's Sunday, March 14th. Today I'm going to go over some technical insight and some other information about APXT. I had a few subscribers on my YouTube channel ask me to look at this, so I'm just going to take a quick glance at it today and look at the fundamentals in that. I haven't done a lot of research on this company, so it's just going to basically be technical insight and fundamental insight here. So looking at the short-term 6-week chart, you can see they did have that earnings call that was with AvePoint, I believe, and it was a pretty good call. Like I'm just looking over the highlights here, and revenue's up, recurring revenue's up, everything's up. So it's obviously that's what's driving the price up here. You had a little bit of a spike, but it's continuing uptrend. According to the chart, you're going to have a little bit of trouble getting past, like this is your resistance line here, it's short term. So you're going to have trouble getting past the 50-day moving average, but, all the indicators are pointing a reversal here. You got your MACD, it's crossed the average line pointing up. Momentum's going up, everything here is going up. And the good thing is your RSI is very, very, it's not low, but it's in the center, like the 44 RSI. It's good to, good spot to be on. It can go either way, but all the lower indicators here are showing that it's going to be going upwards. Now, if I, just looking at there's no analysts that cover this. We look here, it's a smaller company, so, there's not going to be a lot of coverage on something like this, but yeah, you can see there's nothing here, no analysts covering it. So even the earnings and the fundamentals are pretty scarce on this company. But when I look at the, just the basics here, very low market cap, very low share float. This thing can move, right? And obviously it did back in November. It started moving up, but there's really not a lot to go off of here. The Morningstar report, the quant computer, gives it a fair value of $13.11. But I wouldn't really, I like this report. It's usually very accurate, but there's not a lot of we're missing a lot of numbers here, right, to get a really accurate reading and a price target. So right now, with the information we have, that's where the quant computers say a fair value is $13.11. And even the Reuters report, it really doesn't cover much of this here. There are a few things you can look at on this here. Let me just show you. You can see there's a lot of stuff that isn't covered. We go down though, we'll look at the institutional, down a little bit more. Look at the institutional ownership. Well, you can still see here, it's still 1 year, it's still up. Over the last, year to date, it's been going down, but that call you had on Thursday, that definitely, it's moving things in the right direction here. But you can see there's no inside holders at all, like nobody, executives hold one share. And the top institutional owner has 4.2% ownership of the company. And I checked the institutional ownership, and it's a good 20%. So it's pretty solid. It's it'll be interesting to see. It takes a while sometimes for them to file, so it'll be interesting to see if there's any added positions after that call. But you're in a good range. Like you're at 1261, and like I said, everything here is pointing. Even if you look at the longer chart here, everything has reversed, right? Like your MACD, that's a sharp reverse there. Everything is looking up, so it's a good sign. I believe you definitely hit bottom. How far it's going to go up, it's hard to tell right now because it was on a downtrend for such a while. But I believe the 50-day moving average will definitely be a ceiling at some point. So I hope this video helps. Take care, everyone, and good luck.